Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is day 4 of our 30 days basic versus advanced English series. In this series, we are learning how to replace basic English sentences with smart and advanced English. Today, we will learn 15 powerful sentence upgrades related to speed and actions. Before we start the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Let's begin. वह बहुत तेज दौड़ता है. Basic. He runs very fast. He runs very fast. Advance. He sprints. He sprints. वह बहुत धीरे चलती है. Basic. She walks very slowly. She walks very slowly. Advanced. She strolls. She strolls. वह बहुत जल्दी खाना खाता है. Basic. He eats very quickly. He eats very quickly. Advance. He devours his food. He devours his food. वह बहुत जोर से बोलती है. Basic. She speaks very loudly. She speaks very loudly. Advance. She shouts. She shouts. वह बहुत धीरे बोलता है. Basic. He speaks very softly. He speaks very softly. Advanced. He whispers. He whispers. वह बहुत तेज गाड़ी चलाता है. Basic. He drives very fast. He drives very fast. Advanced. He speeds. He speeds. नदी बहुत तेज बहती है. Basic. The river flows very fast. The river flows very fast. Advance. The river rushes. The river rushes. उसने बहुत ध्यान से देखा. Basic. She looked very carefully. She looked very carefully. Advanced. She examined carefully. She examined carefully. वह बहुत ऊंचा कूदा. Basic. He jumped very high. He jumped very high. Advance. He leaped high. He leaped high. वह जोर जोर से रोया. Basic. He cried very loudly. He cried very loudly. Advance. He sobbed. He sobbed. उसने गुस्से से घूरा. Basic. He looked very angry. He looked very angry. Advance. He glared. He glared. वह खुशी से चमक रही थी. Basic. She looked very happy. She looked very happy. Advanced. She beamed with joy. She beamed with joy. उसने तुरंत जवाब दिया. Basic. She answered very quickly. She answered very quickly. Advanced. She responded instantly. She responded instantly. उसने बहुत ध्यान से सुना. Basic. He listened very carefully. He listened very carefully. Advanced. He listened attentively. He listened attentively. वह बहुत हैरान हो गया. Basic. He looked very surprised. He looked very surprised. Advanced. He was stunned. He was stunned. This was day 4 of our 30-day basic versus advanced English series. Tomorrow we will learn 15 more powerful English upgrades for emotions and feelings. If you want to speak smart English, follow this series every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in day 5. Thank you for watching this video.